Alright, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So we actually just recently picked up this F30 328i. Me and my friend Nick, who is actually behind the camera right now, actually gonna be both making videos on this car. So the first video is gonna be my video. The second video is gonna be his video. He's gonna have a video on his channel, so definitely go check out his channel if you guys wanna stay up to date on the build. So we actually picked this up from Copart. So we're really excited to jump into this build. It's gonna be super fun. Really excited to finally get a build out for you guys.
Bro, our very first Copart build.
Our very first Copart build, dude. It's a first for me, so it's gonna be a little bit of a learning experience. Me and Nick are gonna tackle this one. It's gonna be a nice, fun little project. So let's go ahead and show you guys all the damage. We're kind of afraid that there might be some hidden damage, so let's go ahead and take off this bumper real quick. Let's go over to the front bumper real quick. This whole thing is completely destroyed down here. Front bumper is honestly beyond repair. It's completely toast. It's completely toast. And then also on the hood right up here, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's all like, it's a little bit dented and also has some scuff marks. So we're gonna try to keep this hood, I think, if we can, but I don't know. There's like a little bit of a bump right here, and it's a little bit, paint's a little bit beat up as well. But yeah, look at this bumper. Like, this is completely toast. Oh man, we can't even use this, like even down here. And then obviously we're gonna take off this bumper to show you guys what's down here, but just from like a first look, reinforcement bar is completely pushed in. It looks pretty bad from the front, to be honest with you guys. The headlights look like they're in okay shape.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna need headlights though.
We're gonna need those headlights.
Those halogen headlights are no go for sure.
They're pretty garbage. Not gonna lie, guys. We need some halos up in here. So this tire is obviously flat, but as well as that, it's also pushed back a little bit. I think we need to replace a few control arms on this side, because I don't know if you guys can see this, but like the wheel is literally all the way up against like the
yeah, it's literally pushed back.
It's literally pushed back. So definitely have some suspension damage.
We're gonna get under there for sure though, and we're gonna see what's going on.
We're gonna check out what's under, like what's all the hidden damages on this video, guys. So far it's not too bad. It's definitely a little bit of a project. Nothing too crazy though. We can definitely handle this. So over here, there's a little bit of like a bump on this quarter panel. Nothing too serious. It's really hard to notice. I don't even know if you guys can see it on camera.
We can kind of get it there,
a little bit. And then up here as well, like this is kind of pushed up.
Yeah, you can kind of tell like the door, I mean the
fitment
gas flap.
Right here.
Yeah, the fitment is like a little off. It's like a little dent on the corner itself.
Yeah, it's.
But we're definitely gonna try and get some PDR going over there. Paintless dent removal.
Down here, this bumper, we're probably gonna end up replacing this bumper because it got torn up down here, and it looks
check that out.
Like this paint and everything. It's like it's all messed up. I'm honestly curious what happened down here. Like, yeah,
I think he just like maybe ran over a curb a little bit.
Kind of looks like
it.
But doesn't look like we have any suspension damage right here. But you never know. There's always hidden stuff.
Yeah, definitely, bro. Especially with BMW.
Bro, it's always hidden stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, and then down here, obviously, like this bumper, it's pretty torn up. So yeah, we're probably gonna end up replacing that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to replace that one for sure. I mean,
yeah, guys, and then also this wheel, kind of from right here, it's like leaning into the car from like the top, so it has really bad negative camber.
Yeah, let me see here.
Somebody put some camber on this thing.
Right?
It definitely does have some camber, so I'm afraid we have some suspension damage on this side as well. This is kind of just like a first look. Obviously, we need to dig deep into it and find out what exactly is the problem.
Yeah, we're gonna have to pull that apart for sure,
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to do that. This wheel is the same thing as the other side. It's pushed back, so it could possibly be like a subframe thing. We might have some subframe damage.
Yeah.
Might have to look into that. That's kind of a worry that we might have, you know?
Yeah, but it's hopefully it's nothing more deeper than that. I mean, we haven't even fired the car up yet, so.
Yeah, we're gonna turn on the car today, hopefully, because it was technically a run and drive. So we're gonna try to turn on the car and
unless Copart lied to us.
Yeah, unless Copart.
Which is a common thing. I mean.
Really?
Yeah, Copart lately has been a little sketch. So.
Okay, well let's hope it turns on. Let's hope it turns on. But yeah, this looks really bad from right here. Hopefully you guys can see that on camera. That just honestly that looks horrible. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into the interior. So we have some problems in the interior, guys. I mean, we have some nice tint. I'm not gonna lie, it has some dark tint on here, so that's good. But yeah. I don't know if you guys can see this, but dude, these airbags, almost every single airbag is blown on this interior. The only one that aren't really blown are like the seats and that side of like the curtain airbag.
Yeah, literally
everything else is like toast, guys. So like down here, the footwell, the steering wheel, this airbag is blown. This one down here, most of the airbags in this car are completely toast. So that in itself is probably going to be one big video because replacing airbags is honestly a lot of work. But other than that, in here the seat belts are also blown.
Yeah, let's check those out.
So they won't go back in. These are completely toast, guys.
Yeah.
So
I think that buckle right there is also probably toast. I don't know about the passenger side, but
we're probably gonna have to replace the buckles. And this thing honestly needs a really good interior detail.
Yes, bro. If you look at this stuff right here,
dude, it's so bad.
Yeah, this car's pretty dirty. I mean, the tan interior, obviously.
Tan, I'm not the biggest fan of the tan interior, I'm not gonna lie, but we can make this look good. We have a few little trim pieces that we can replace as well, like the start-stop button. Yeah, guys, so like the start-stop button, it's like completely toast. A few of these buttons on the steering wheel are also needing to be replaced. So I think that's pretty much it in the interior, guys. Other than that, there's not much else. It even has like the big screen actually, so that's actually pretty nice.
What is that like? I think
it's premium package.
Yeah, like 14-inch display or something like that.
Something.
With the actual Bluetooth. Bro, some cars, like some of the BMWs are like 2016 and they don't even have that, so.
Yeah, no, it's crazy. Some of them have like the really small screen and those just don't look right.
This is a 2014, by the way.
This is a 2014, yeah, 2014 328i.
Heated seats.
It has heated seats. Like it has like good options up in here.
Decent options for a 328 for sure.
For a 328, it's not bad. It doesn't have heads up. Yeah, it doesn't have heads up. I like heads up display, but it doesn't have it. But it's all good.
Does your F30 have it?
My F30 has every single option. That's why I bought it.
That's crazy.
I got lucky with that.
Yeah, that car is definitely fully loaded.
It was a good deal. It has the sunroof. Literally, it has everything else that you would need or get in a 328. But now I think we should go ahead, try to see if this car can start in this video and also see what other hidden damages there are. So we're gonna go ahead, jack up the car, probably drain the oil, and then see if there's even any oil in the car, and then put the oil back in so we can start it.
Alright guys, so we pretty much just took off the bumper. We took off the undershield. Yeah, this intercooler is completely out of it.
Bro, that intercooler
First things first.
Ripped off.
Yeah.
That's so bad.
Yeah, so this fan is also kind of messed up. We thought it was good, but if you spin it a little bit, it's torn off right here. Shroud is obviously completely, like half of it is missing. Most important part, this subframe is bent back pretty bad. It literally like pushed it down and back. Frame isn't damaged.
Yeah, the actual frame is good, guys. Dude, that's a huge plus. Super excited about that, to be honest.
Yeah, that definitely helps us. That also saves us a lot of time. Looks like there's no oil leaks. Looks like the transmission is good as well. Copart didn't really mention anything about undercarriage, but this subframe definitely, in my opinion, is considered undercarriage damage. But that's okay. If you look at it from the top, the engine bay overall, the intake is good. Intake box is good. The tie bar is good as well. All the radiators are good, honestly. That saves us a ton of time as well, like with cooling, putting in coolant, and etc. Honestly, that saves us a lot of time.
Saves us a lot of time and money as well.
Yes, so that's definitely a plus, but we're gonna have to figure out what to do with that subframe, honestly, because
bro, it looks really bad.
Yeah, honestly, we might have to lift the engine up and get that thing taken care of. I did not expect this undercarriage to be that bad, but
it does look really bad actually.
Yeah,
it's actually like completely toast. That's kind of unfortunate. A little bit of hidden damage that Copart did not mention.
Let's get into the oil change. Well, not exactly an oil change. We're gonna drain out the oil, see if there's oil inside the car. We're gonna fill it back in, hopefully start this car. I mean,
yeah, we want to hear it started.
Yeah, that's definitely an important thing for us, because if this car doesn't start, we might just have to send it back to Copart, honestly.
Really?
Yeah.
You can do that?
Yeah.
If it's damage that wasn't claimed?
Yeah. Well, if the car said run and drive.
And it's not running and driving?
And it's not running and driving, yeah. I'm gonna reach out back to them.
Oh, dang. But, okay, so let's hope. Let's hope it's working.
Yeah. Okay. So.
All right. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and jump into that, guys. Alrighty, guys, so good news is that we actually have oil in here.
Yeah.
Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take this out.
Let's check this out real quick. Oh, that is mighty dark, bro.
Yeah, it's kind of cool to be honest, but
yeah, we're just gonna pour it in there for now. Obviously, we're not gonna run the car and drive it anywhere.
you just want to turn it on, make sure it actually starts.
Yes,
That's
yes, most definitely. So, I just put the plug back on. There's no point of us to drain the oil all the way. The main thing was just to check if we have oil in the car. I mean, everything looks original. I mean, the car doesn't look like it's been tuned or anything.
It doesn't look like any
to begin with, so
funny business.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. Just keep that off for now. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get some liquid moly in here.
We need some.
Bro, we're gonna make this thing nice.
We're gonna make this thing clean, guys. Like, this thing's gonna come out so nice.
Do I start it?
Yeah, go ahead, start it.
I'm nervous. Alright.
Bro, it turns on. Wow.
Bro, there's not even a check engine light on here.
No check engine. What the heck? There's literally no check engine. That sounds so funny.
Turbo, bro.
You hear the turbos?
Hey, but that's awesome. All right, guys, the car starts up. Let's take off those front wheels and let's see what's going on with that suspension. So,
bro, I'm excited for this, man. Let's go ahead and take these off. Yeah.
Yeah. It's not rusted, huh? Whew. That thing's stuck up in there, huh?
Back there, yeah. That's crazy, dude.
Wow.
Yeah, this thing's like.
This wheel's.
It's actually not in bad shape.
This wheel's actually good. I know the other one's flat. Yeah, this one's actually.
Bro, what is on here?
I don't know.
It looks kind of like.
We might have to try and clean these.
These wheels, they're a no-go, man. We need something else.
Yeah,
guys.
what are these, bro?
Let us know what wheels we should buy down below, guys. Looks like this control arm definitely bent up right here. Like, it's literally like pulled off. I don't know if you guys
I think that's because of the subframe.
Subframe.
That one, that's like a forward control arm. We're definitely gonna need that one replaced.
Yeah.
Those are probably the most expensive ones too. That's alright though.
To be honest,
how's that tie rod on the steering rack?
Let's see the tie rod. Honestly, it looks fine.
Yeah, it actually looks good.
To be honest with you, it looks pretty good.
The shock and everything. I mean, overall,
the shock is like in bad shape anyway. How many miles does this car have?
94, I think.
Has 94,000. That's about right, I would say. Yeah, these shocks, we might end up having to replace them.
I don't mind some coilovers on here. Some coilovers, some wheels.
Coilovers, honestly, like if any company's watching, you know, you can reach out to us. We'll take the parts. We'll put them on this car for you guys.
Right.
Let us know. But yeah, maybe some coilovers. If anything, maybe some lowering springs, or honestly just stock, whatever works out best for us. Brakes have some good life left. I feel like we're good.
Yeah, I think we're good on that. Yeah, let's pull off the other wheel and see what we're.
Yeah, let's go ahead and take off the other one.
That was a little stuck up in there, huh? To give it a couple kicks, bro.
Bro, it's not moving. Hold on.
There you go. I think that one was probably rusted in there.
Yeah, that one looks really rusty. Oh, dude, this one has a nail in it.
Yeah.
This one has a bad nail in it.
I think that's why it's flat to begin with, yeah.
Yeah, guys, so right here, the side skirt's kind of beat up. Fender liner, yeah. This looks like it's probably fine under here. But yeah, this side skirt definitely looks beat up. Might have to grab one of those, to be honest.
Yeah.
You might have to do that. So this one definitely looks toast again. High rod looks fine. It has a little bit scuffing, but like right here in the back.
It's literally because of the subframe. So I think, I definitely think that it's nothing to do with, like the wheels being hit themselves. I think it's more of just the subframe being bent back, yeah. So
messed up. Yeah, so it looks like literally they probably ran over a curb and literally pulled the subframe back, and that's why the wheels are sitting back. That's my guess. Yeah.
Maybe they ran over like a center piece. You know, you've seen those cars like they get stuck in the center of the. Bro, who knows?
It's honestly a possibility, man.
Yeah.
Who knows, man? But yeah, because it looks like mostly like undercarriage damage, so like subframe and stuff.
Yeah, honestly, like the whole
works.
Yeah, the whole bumper thing and everything wasn't even that bad. So.
Who knows? That's kind of high up though, dude. They have to at least have hit something high.
Yeah, there's also no like dirt marks or any of that, so.
Yeah, I don't think they like skid it out. It's kind of just dirty because it sits out in like a field type of situation. That's how they get dirty, but at least
something in the center.
At least like this high. It is jacked up, dude. I don't know. Let us know what you guys think they hit, because I'm really stumped on that.
Hey, let's see if we can find some information of the owner.
Yeah, let's see if we can do something. Let's see if there's anything in like the glove box.
Yeah. We might have to reach out to them and
yeah, because sometimes there's stuff in like the glove box, to be honest. Yeah, should I take off my gloves?
Yeah.
It came with the...
It's got the handbook, yeah. I mean, owner's manual or whatever you want to call that.
See if there's anything. That's some insurance papers in here. They had Progressive. So that's good. They got some.
Hey, shout out to my insurance company, bro.
Bro. Dude, they actually had a Mustang. A 1967 Ford Mustang. What the heck? Bro.
BMW owners have taste, bro. What can I say?
They have taste. So yeah, they had this 328 and like a 1967 Ford Mustang.
That's dope.
Dude, that's sick.
Do they have their names on there? We'll reach out to them, bro, and be like...
They do have their names. We'll keep,
hey, fam.
We'll keep it private, but they have their names.
Yeah, we don't want to show that.
Bro, that's funny. This paperwork's from 2015.
So they probably are original. This is probably like a one-owner car, bro. It might be a one-owner car.
Well, what does the insurance thing say up there? It says Geico up here.
Does it really?
It says Geico.
Oh, it is?
It's from Geico, so they might have sold it.
It literally says Geico up here. Bro, that might just be the car that, maybe somebody ran into them, bro. With the trailer or something. That's another possibility. That they got underneath the car.
Oh,
who knows?
Dude, who knows?
But Geico could be the company that paid him off.
It's possible, but
why did this?
You have to hit something hard enough for that to blow.
Yeah, for a roof airbag to blow.
That's a lot of damage, man.
Yeah.
I don't know, that's weird. Alrighty guys, so this is pretty much the end of the video. So as you guys saw, we actually got the car started, which is honestly amazing. I was actually kind of worried that it wasn't gonna start, to be honest, but it had oil, had everything, so we started it. So now we know it's actually worthwhile to actually, you know, rebuild this thing. But we also saw like how much damage the car actually has. So obviously we need all those other stuff that we mentioned in the beginning of the video, as well as probably a subframe. Yeah, we actually do need a subframe.
Definitely.
Dude, it's completely toast. Like that subframe, man. Whatever they ran over, like honestly, I'm really curious what they ran over.
Yeah, I was surprised because subframes are usually, especially this one is like, it's not like lightweight aluminum or anything.
No, dude,
it's durable.
Pushed it back.
It literally bent it backwards, yeah.
It's really bad. So we need a few things. Wheels for sure. We definitely need new wheels because these wheels are hideous.
Yeah.
Let
us know.
And then obviously the windshield as well. I think I forgot to mention the windshield in the beginning of the video.
Yeah, the windshield is cracked.
But the windshield is cracked, so we're gonna need to replace that. So we got ourselves a good project right here. Definitely stay tuned for these videos. Like I said in the beginning of the video, me and Nick are going to be doing videos on both of our channels. So the first video is on my channel. The second video is going to be on his channel. So definitely go subscribe to him. Look out for that second video. You guys definitely don't want to miss it. His channel is Nick Built It. I will leave it down in the description. So definitely go check that out, guys. All right, let us know if you guys are excited for this build. Go drop a comment down below, guys. We're going to be reading every single one of the comments and getting back to most of you guys. We're really excited for this. Make sure to go follow us on Instagram. I'll go ahead and throw up both of our Instagrams, and make sure to subscribe while you guys are at it. With that being said, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. We will catch you guys later. All right, let's see if I can go here. All right.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.